Welcome back to In-Depth Analysis. First of all, for those who see things from the lens of ethnicity, I beg your pardon. Now let's move in. I respect elders, the old. But we must understand something. Old age is not synonymous to wisdom. And to that sense, I want you guys to take your time, relax, sit back, and listen to this clip I'm about to play now.
2027 is coming. We say we are Yoruba. Who is a Yoruba person? That's who we are supporting. Our catchment area is Yoruba land. Baba Olowo said, be a proper Yoruba man first before you can claim to be a good Nigerian. So, the last election, we clear everywhere. You know our ideology, you know our history. This Asiwaju's government, whether we like it or not, we are going to be there for as long as it's there. It's us now. You see, the other reason why we supported Asiwaju, he knows everything about what Afenifere wants. About restructuring, about looking after the poor people, about devolving powers to the states or region, or state police and so on and so forth, you know. So he knows everything. If he play politics to grab power, yes, he did it perfectly. He's there now. And he's implementing whatever we want. Even though things are very, very hard. It's going to be hard because the Nigeria has been reduced to rubble before. But now, we are just laying the foundation. It's a foundation now. A lot of us whose house has collapsed, we are in the shed. That's what happened now. So, but after the finishing of the house, we move from the shed to be in the palace. This is what is happening. Nobody is saying that things are rosy. Things are not going to be rosy because Nigeria has been reduced down by the previous government. You know, so yes, some people will say yes. They don't. What they want is 2027. But I can assure you, 2027. Landslide. Afenifere we win for Asiwaju landslide. I can assure you that. We know what we want. We know what he's doing. Things are very hard, but foundation, we know the foundation. A lot of people at the lower level will not understand what is happening. All what they want is, I want to eat. I want to eat. I want to eat. Yes, we're going to give them food. But let us lay a very good foundation for Nigeria. This government is just about two years plus. For goodness sake. It's going to take about 8 years for us to say yes. We are out of the woods. It has happened all over the world.
Just that people will say that the last 8 years before this government,
yes,
you know, it's of the same party, and that it was Asiwaju that brought General Muhammadu Buhari.
It was Asiwaju that brought General Muhammadu Buhari. And yet, Tinubu himself told us to be patient with Buhari. Before you know, 8 years was gone. Now you're coming and you're telling us to be patient. It's going to take 8 years. The previous 8 years of APC, Tinubu-led government, was not enough. The present Tinubu-led government, another 8 years again. Who knows if it's still going to be enough? But let me tell you guys something. 2 years is enough to see the trajectory of any government if it's going towards the right direction. Now for the Bacha, where they stay, I be the shade where they stay. Is that where you did? Now there you did a feed person. Say you will give them food. They are hungry, but we will give them food. When you stay they shade, you never enter house. When you go come enter house? When? Now, the sad part to all of this is, if you listen to the man, he said, Asiwaju knows what we want. And he is doing it for us. He made list of over 4 things. Let me see if I could remember. Restructuring, devouring of power, state police. Now, has he achieved one? Out of all those things you mentioned, has he achieved one? You see, when we see things from the lens of ethnicity, most times we tend to dash our hope and dash the hope of others. We need to grow past this ethnicity thing. You dey bacha, you dey plan give person food. You never even enter house. You say it go take you 8 years to enter house. Yet you say if you are hungry, we will feed the hungry. Where you stand? Where you stand? You see, say you dey confused. That's why I said, old age is not synonymous to wisdom. Yes, I respect the old, I respect the elderly. But we must understand that old age is not synonymous to wisdom. Not every old man gets sense. And please, first of all, remember I crave the indulgence of those who see things through the lens of ethnicity. I'm just stating the facts. I'm not crediting or discrediting anybody. Thanks for watching.